My video will provide you with helper to remove the ransomware called Press. My video will be solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting it. In my video, I will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you could possibly recover the files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware's attack, we were able to open the files without any troubles: pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Press ransomware may be very easily injected, and so it encrypts files and appends a special Press extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is impossible to open the files. The ransomware then reveals the ransom note where it tells the victims to pay a special ransom. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. This ransomware Press is from the DHarma ransomware family. To remove the ransomware, I recommend you to scan your system with the help of reliable antivirus software, such as Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. You might need to use your Internet Explorer browser for this purpose. To download Combo Cleaner from this site, combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start researching your device. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.